itself looks pretty straight. So if we look right here, and then now next thing we're going to take it off of the door frame. See some better days. I got a new door frame, got a new back panel, and I'll explain what we do with the roof. Time to rejuvenate some strength, get some lunch in. Alright, I know I never really sat down and explained what's going on with this truck. So basically we're rebuilding it. As you saw already, almost done tearing it apart. It's almost time to start assembling it. Just getting the last pieces in. So the only thing I'm gonna have to do some extra work again on is the roof. So I'm gonna do some price breakdown, because I'm gonna be getting a lot of comments like I did in my last video. Why didn't I just use the cab that I bought? So this is an older cab. We bought a 07 cab. Everything's in there, like dashboard, everything. So it was from a cab. So for me to use that cab, I have to put the wiring from this cab into that cab, and then this cab had dual air cleaners. I have to make the holes, and the main thing is the firewalls are different, and to replace the firewall is just what I did on my truck. That's, you gotta take apart the whole front, and it's just way more work than what I'm doing right now. So why we decided to go with get a full cab for a roof is because a roof from the dealership costs $2,000. That's a good price. That was my price, and it's like $1,900 plus tax, but it's without holes. So you have to drill every hole. You have to put the nutzerts into the top of the roof for the lights. So that's it's a good, I don't know, hour or two of extra work, aligning and all the horns and aligning all the holes for the lights. And we bought a full cab for $1,500. You can't beat that, because you'll have doors left over that I'm trying to a door is $1,500 alone from Peterbilt, and I might need a door for this next truck I'm trying to get. So there you go. You can have a lot of parts left over. It's kind of a dashboard. Dashboard is the same. Just you replace the panels, because these have the wood grain, the ugly wood grain. So a lot of useful parts still left over, and it's almost a $500 difference from buying just the roof to a cab. You're even saving money there, even if you throw the cab away. A little more work, but I mean, still, it's a little bit more worth it. So right now I'm going back and I have some lunch, get the strength up, and try to finish taking out that door frame and be done with the disassembling part, and maybe even, I don't know, try to measure up the door frame, see if it fits. The back panel, I have the door frame in the back panel, and then pretty much what the only thing I'm gonna need to do is, when we get that cabin, just take the roof off to that cabin, put it on this one. But yeah, so far everything's been going pretty smooth. This truck is not nearly as much work as my other one, so that's nice. It's been a breeze so far, and hopefully it'll continue being like that. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the process, and I'll see you guys when I get there. this new cabin. I took off the mirrors and those things. I'm gonna start. So I just gotta take off the top part and get to removing the roof. Here's what that's gonna look like. I'm not gonna bore you guys because I know you guys have watched this a lot of times. So take that off, start cutting those, and hopefully get the roof off today. Alright, so I finally want to close out a video by actually talking, not just writing. So I did take a little jump that I didn't want to record me cutting up the old cab, the new cab, taking the roof off, because you guys have seen it a million times. I just cut the hux off, took the roof off. Now next step is I want to install 2 more horns on the roof, replace the lights on the top, and just glue it back on. That'll be the next step. Those install the horns, change the lights, and then slap the new roof on, and just put the inside together, and that's going to be the finishing process. I'm really hoping you guys are enjoying this process. If you guys watch my videos and you guys enjoy them, if you guys can please leave a like, if you guys can subscribe, because I know I think 90% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. It would really help me out if you guys subscribe. It just shows me that people are actually watching. It motivates me to, to make more videos, make them a little more high quality, not just record here, record there. But yeah, I'm hoping to do more trucks, repair more trucks. I have been working a lot, even with this stuff going on. I hope everyone's okay. I hope everyone's doing okay. Hope everyone's safe. But man, it's been busy. I mean, trucks don't stop running, and I wish it would slow down. I want some time to relax, but it's just not the case. But yeah, so I want to push out more content, hopefully for those of you that are sitting at home, hopefully give you something to watch, and yeah, go from there. So yeah, if you guys can, please subscribe and just give me some feedback. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, and hopefully we can make things better together. Alright guys, see you guys in the next one.